Welcome to Kanye's CRP. In order to define user rights for restrictions in domain and functions, access SYST03 user login info transaction. Search for the relevant user, select it, and then click Change button. On the user information screen, switch to the Dialog Function Rights tab over here. You'll see the restrictions for the dialog functions that are defined in IAS SYS03 check table over here. Select the relevant restriction to be added as a right and then click on the arrow button. Now you can enter other information such as transaction, valid until, is privileged, approved, and description. Switch to the class function rights over here. You'll see again similarly the classes and the functions in the relevant fields. Now in order to assign rights to this user for these over here, select the records and then click on the arrow button over here. Again, if you'd like, you can enter transaction, valid until, is privileged, approved by, and description fields. Now switch to the domain rights tab over here. You can use the search criteria and the search button over here to narrow down your search for the right assignment. Here, select the domain rights to be assigned and then click the arrow button again. You can enter the transaction, valid until, is privileged, approved by, and description fields here as well. When you're done, click the Save button to save the rights assigned to the user.